Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to mute call from friends in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Snapchat. So I'm going to click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your chat. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply select a contact. So I'm going to simply select this particular contact right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply select their username from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to click on chat and notification settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on notification settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on mute calls. Then you can decide how long you want to mute call from this particular contact. So you can decide to mute the call for 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or better still, you can decide to mute their call until you unmute them. So I'm going to simply select this one right here, and this button is going to enable. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to mute calls from friends in Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.